Right, welcome back to this session. What we have done, the last session is to draw your guidelines and solid lines, and we taught you how to the different pencils that you can use and how you can draw with your hand, your elbow and your wrist using that. The difference. Today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to draw boxes, a couple of boxes. Okay, so how you should draw a box is, alright, draw a couple of guidelines, moving it parallel to one another. Okay, and then you would have your box. Alright, then you can darken the box using your solid lines. Alright, the key here is to take note that try to keep the lines parallel to one another. Okay, this type of lines parallel to one another, and here as well. Alright, sorry, and then the verticals being parallel to the verticals. Once you establish that, I think your box would look reasonably okay. Alright, of course you can try to draw boxes in a variety of different layouts, arrangement or orientation. Okay, so keeping the lines parallel to one another. Alright, even you make a slight mistake, just keep moving your pencil because you are using it. You are using guidelines to draw. It's okay. Then slowly darken it to get it to be in the correct orientation. Alright, draw a couple of boxes. Alright, establish the parallel lines first. Get it comfortable. Move them along. Alright, and then vertical lines, then you can darken them. Okay, slowly do it. Alright, this way you will feel that you're more comfortable to draw your box in the correct orientation, and it will look like a box. Alright, couple more to show you. I tend to keep my axis parallel. As long as it is parallel, it will look alright. Okay, your box would look okay. Alright, so practice and practice makes perfect. That's what they say. So you keep practicing how to draw your box and it should be okay. So a couple more before we end off. Alright, and you can go ahead and practice them on your own. Okay, so as long as it looks like a box, I am pretty much alright with that. Alright, so you can go and try. Alright, welcome back to this session. The last session we taught you how to draw boxes. So this time around we will draw more boxes. Okay, so we use the guidelines again to help us establish the parallel lines to one another. Okay, so I have one of them here, and what I want to do is I want to add another box here by the side. So keeping the parallel lines to one another and the vertical lines, right? Then I will add in the other line over this side. Okay, and just get them to be a little bit more precise. Okay, then I will darken in with my solid lines, right? Then there you have one box next to the other. Okay, and you can have the one box next to the other. Okay, alright. Okay, now go ahead and try with the box in different orientation. Maybe I will try one this way. Okay, what I can do now is perhaps I want to add a box that is really high here. Okay, so again using my guidelines slightly to guide me, make sure that everything is okay, then I will darken it in. Okay, feel free to move your paper around if you need to in order to help you to draw a line that is straight lah. Okay, so Okay, you observe that I'm actually tilting my body accordingly to get my lines to be well. So then that is one of the other box you can do. Right? Try to draw boxes in different orientation. You can even draw a box that is tall, and then another one over this side. Okay, so again, two boxes, one beside the other. Okay, so okay, have a go at it, and then yeah, like I say, practice makes perfect. So you practice them, and you should be able to get nice boxes. Okay, last one. Maybe I'll draw this way. Okay, keeping my lines parallel again. Okay, using guidelines to draw quickly. I establish one more box here. Okay, always try to imagine the box. Alright, so if you want, you can follow the sample that is given to you, then you can draw them, and then that will make it easier for you so that you can practice as the box as you come along. Okay, so another one over this side. Okay, to close up. Okay, so you have your boxes. Right, go have a try.